Streaming from Microsoft Teams to LinkedIn Live, TikTok, and other social media platforms is really popular today. But before you can start streaming in Microsoft Teams, you have to turn on the policy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the streaming live policy. So let's get started. I have navigated to the Teams Admin Center, and there's a couple of things you need to know. One, you need to have proper permissions to have access to this admin center. If you work for an organization, contact your IT department. And the other thing is, I have a business standard subscription with the license of one, and that's going to be important in a second. But from the left navigation, click on Meetings, Meeting Policy. And the reason why I said that I have a license of one, because I'm going to make this change for global wide. Scroll to audio and video. Under live streaming, make sure that this is turned on and press save. Now, watch my next video and I'll show you how to set up Teams to go live on LinkedIn. Now, go work your magic.